Thutha wa ngahiha iria cionekire bunge-ini ya Nyeri hindi iria ajumbe matwarite mutaratara wa kwenda kuhagura gavana Nderitu Gachagua, riu ajumbe atano bunge-ini iyo ni maikirio ngono magikuruhanio na kuhura na kuguraria MCA wa gicigo gia Shiga Paul Ngiria. Ajumbe amwe aria magwikinyitie ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Nyeri maroiga ati wathani wa gavana Gachagua ni urahuthira borithi kumagagia.
But intimidation teno irathi na mbere thigari gutuke nyiti andu ndenda kuria thigari cia Nyeri cituke independent itigatwara macira pete ikambira kunyita andu with no evidence at all tondu haha hatiri cira mundu kuania hurirwo ni t-shirt yake tarori. There is no case here at all.
Riu uthamaki uyu ni muthiru na Gachagua amenye uyu ni uthamaki urerwo mene tekei uthamaki wake ni muthiru.
Riu speaker wa bunge yo Mwangi Mugo ni oigite ati ni akwandikira mutongori wa thitango cia muingi Keriako Tobiko marua akiuga niwe wagirire ni gutuithania githagathago kiu.
That happens within the assembly first and foremost must be dealt with in the assembly in accordance with the National Assembly Powers and Privileges Act. And we are actually going to write to the DPP, we are going to write to the Attorney General complaining about this, which to me amounts to harassment of the members of the County Assembly, and I'm not going to condone it.
Nake mubunge wa Kieni Kanini Kega ni amendereirie giko giki akiuga gavana wa Nyeri Nderitu Gachagua niwe uthaganitie jama ya gwikira ajumbe ya heho ni undu wa ndereti iria matemanitie ya kumuhagura.
To make it very clear that the law must be followed to the letter, not in a selective way. And two, I don't understand when we devolved security. The security is under the governor.
Wakiri Paul Wamai niwe urugamirire ajumbe aya. No Gachagua ni areganite na uhoro ucio.
Umuthi ria tuona Mheshimiwa Njoroge agiritwo o kanitha-ini okuria Mweru oke arecord statement muthenya wa Kiumia na gutigite na mweke wa kumuria oke andike statement akarega na muoroto ni kumunyita na kumuhingira thero kuri muthenya wa Kiumia atari kundu angiheo bodi kana cash bill kana kuririswo na bodi na kuguo twenda kuria utongoria wa Nyeri utige kuhuthira security kana borithi ku intimidate members a county assembly.
Gutire afitha wa borithi witikirire kwaraniria na andiki a mohoro ciĩgie uhoro ucio.